Hello students, welcome to my video. Today we are going to learn Standard 8 Mathematics and its lesson number 5th Expansion Formulae. In previous video, we have learned expansion of x plus a into x plus b. In this video, we will learn next expansion formula, that is expansion of a plus b bracket cube. Let's see expansion of a plus b bracket cube. Okay, so write down a plus b bracket cube. A cube means a into a into a multiplied by 3 times. Here a plus b bracket cube means this is written as a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. Okay, now for this a plus b into a plus b means a plus b bracket square. Okay, plus b into a plus b bracket square. A plus b write down as it is. You know expansion of a plus b bracket square, that is a plus b bracket square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we multiply a plus b into this bracket. Okay, so first we multiply by a to this bracket plus multiply b to this bracket. Means ह्या ए ने काय करायचं, ह्या ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. ए इंटू ए स्क्वेअर प्लस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वेअर. राईट डाऊन दिस प्लस साइन. ओके, त्यानंतर बी ने ह्या ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. मीन्स बी इंटू दिस ब्रॅकेट ए स्क्वेअर प्लस 2ab प्लस b square. Now multiply a to this bracket. म्हणजेच a ने काय करणार, या ब्रॅकेट मधल्या प्रत्येक टर्मला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. a into a square, that is a cube. Okay, write down this plus sign. Then a into 2ab means a into a is a square. Therefore 2a square b. And a into b square is what? ab square plus. आता काय करायचं, ह्या b ने ह्या ब्रॅकेट मधील प्रत्येक टर्मला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. b into a square, that is b a square, or this is written as a square b, a square b plus b into 2ab square. Sorry, b into 2ab means 2ab square plus now b into b square, that is b cube. Okay, now a cube write down as it is. Okay, plus see here 2a square b and a square b, this term. Add these two terms, 2a square b and a square b means here 1a square b. 2 plus 1 is 3a square b plus ab square and 2ab square. After adding these two terms we get 3ab square and write down b cube as it is. This is expansion of a plus b cube. Okay, remember that it is useful to solve examples. A plus b cube is equal to what? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, remember this. Now we see examples in practice set 5.2. Okay. expand. First example is what? K plus 4 whole cube. Okay, here K means A and B is 4. So here we use this formula. A plus B cube is what? A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. So here use this formula. A means K. Okay, K cube plus 3A square B means 3 into A is K square. Okay, into B is 4 plus what? 3AB square means plus 3. A is K and B is 4 square plus B cube means 4 cube. Okay, K cube plus 3 into K square into 4 plus 3 into K into 4 square is 16 plus 4 cube is 64. Okay, which is equal to K cube plus 3 fourths are 12 K square plus 3 into 16 is 48 K plus 64. Okay, this is expansion of K plus 4 bracket cube. Okay, इथे काय केलं आपण बघा. K म्हणजे काय असणार आहे आपली फर्स्ट टर्म A आणि B म्हणजे काय सेकंड टर्म. मग ह्या ज्या व्हॅल्यू आहेत त्या फक्त ह्या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये काय केल्या? सबस्टिट्यूट केल्या आणि त्याच्यानंतर कॅल्क्युलेशन करून आपल्याला हे एक्सपान्शन मिळाले. ओके, नाव सी सेकंड एक्झाम्पल. 7x plus 8y cube. So first write down 7x plus 8y cube equal to. इथे बघा A means 7x and B is 8y. तर ह्या व्हॅल्यू काय करायच्या? ह्या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये सबस्टिट्यूट करायच्या. ओके, सो सबस्टिट्यूट दिस व्हॅल्यू. A cube means 7x cube plus 3 into A square B. A म्हणजे काय आहे 7x आणि B काय आहे 8y. A स्क्वेअर आहे त्यामुळे 7x स्क्वेअर प्लस 3 into AB square means 7x into 8y square plus B cube जे काय 8y cube. ओके, नाव 7x ब्रॅकेट क्यूब म्हणजेच काय 7 cube into x cube and 7 cube is 343 x cube plus 3 into 7 square is 49 into x square into this 8y plus 3 into 7x into 8 square is 64 into y square plus 8y bracket cube means 8 cube into y cube and 8 cube is 512 y cube. Okay, is equal to 343 x cube plus 3 into 49 into 8 that is 1176 x square y. Okay, plus 3 into 7 into 64 which get 1344 x y square plus 512 y cube. This is your answer. Okay, now see next example. Next example is 7 plus m bracket cube. In this example A is 7 and B is m. त्या व्हॅल्यू या फॉर्म्युलेमध्ये सबस्टिट्यूट करायच्या. सो राईट डाऊन 7 plus m cube equal to A is 7 so 7 cube plus 3 into A square B. A is 7 square into B is M plus 3 into AB square. A is 7 and B means M square plus B cube means M cube. Okay, 7 cube is 343 plus 3 into 7 square is 49 into M plus 3 into 7 is 21 M square plus M cube. Okay, next 343 plus 3 into 49 is 147 M plus 21 M square plus M cube. This is expansion of 7 plus M cube. Okay, now next example. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल काय आहे 52 क्यूब. आता हे 52 आपल्याला कसे लिहिता येतील ए प्लस बी फॉर्ममध्ये 50 प्लस 2. ओके, 52 क्यूब इज रिटन एज 50 प्लस 2 होल क्यूब. 52 क्यूब मीन्स 52 इंटू 52 इंटू 52. ओके, हे एवढं कॅल्क्युलेशन करण्यापेक्षा हे आपण इझिली कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो बाय युजिंग दिस फॉर्म्युला. ओके, बिकॉज 50 क्यूब इज इझिली you can find out and 2 cube also you can easily find out. So see here how to calculate. Here A is 50 and B is 2. So A cube means 50 cube plus 3 into A square B means 50 square into B is 2 plus 3 into AB square means 50 into B is 2 cube. Sorry, 2 square plus B cube means 2 cube. Okay, 50 cube is what? 50 cube is what? 1,25,000. Okay, plus 3 into 50 square. That is 2,500 plus into 2 plus 3 into 50 into 2 square is 4 plus 2 cube is 8. Okay, this is 1,25,000. Write down as it is. 3 into 2,500 into 2 is what? 15,000 plus 3 into 50 into 4 that is 600 plus 8. After addition you get 1,40,608. Okay, this is cube of 52. Next example is 101 cube. 101 is written as 100 plus 1. Okay, so write down 101 cube equal to 100 plus 1 cube. Here A is 100 and B is 1. So we use formula of A plus B bracket cube. A cube means 100 cube plus 3 into A square B. A is 100 square into B is 1 plus 3 AB square means 3 into 100 into 1 square plus B cube that is 1 cube which is equal to 100 cube is 10 lakh plus 3 into 100 square is 10,000 into 1 plus 3 into 100. 1 square is 1 plus 1 cube is 1 which is equal to 10 lakh plus 3 into 10,000 into 1, that is 30,000, plus 3 into 100 into 1, 300, plus 1. After addition you get 10,30,301. This is cube of 101. Okay. Now next example. Next is x plus 1 upon x bracket cube. Here a is x and b is 1 upon x. So a cube means x cube plus 3a square b means 3 into x square into b is 1 upon x plus 3ab square. 3 into a into b square is 1 upon x bracket square plus b cube, that is 1 upon x cube, is equal to x cube plus 3 into x square into 1 upon x plus 3x into 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x cube means 1 upon x cube. 1 cube is 1 upon x cube equal to x cube plus this x and this x is cancelled. Here only x remains, 3x plus here also x cancel, remains only 3 upon x plus 1 upon x cube. This is expansion of x plus 1 upon x bracket cube. Now next is 2m plus 1 upon 5 bracket cube. Here a is 2m and b is 1 upon 5. Okay, so use this formula, a plus b cube, 2m cube plus 3 into 2m square into 1 upon 5 plus 3ab square, that means 3 into 2m into 1 upon 5 square plus 1 upon 5 bracket cube, which is equal to 2m bracket square means 2 square into m square. 2 square is 4m square plus 3 into 2 into m square means 2 square into m square. 2 square is, sorry, here cube, m cube, and 2 cube is 8. Two square is 4 into m square into 1 upon 5 plus 3 into 2 is 3 to the 6 m into 1 upon 5 square is, that is 1 upon 25 plus 1 upon 5 cube, 1 cube is 5, which is equal to 8m cube plus 3 fourths are 12 m square upon 5 upon 25 plus 1 upon 125. This is expansion of 2m plus 1 upon 5 cube. Now next example. Next is 5x upon y plus y upon 5x bracket cube. Here a is 5x upon y and b is y upon 5x. Okay. 5x upon y cube plus 3 into a square b means 5x upon y square into b is y upon 5x plus 3 into ab square, that is 5x upon y into y upon 5x square plus b cube, that is y upon 5x cube. Okay, which is equal to 5x upon y bracket cube means 5 cube into x cube upon y cube. Okay, so 5 cube is 125 x cube and upon y cube plus 3 into 5x upon y bracket square, म्हणजेच काय इथे प्रत्येक ब्रॅकेट मध्ये प्रत्येक टर्मचा स्क्वेअर. 5 स्क्वेअर इज 25 into x square upon y square into y upon 5x plus this 3 into 5x upon y into y upon 5x bracket square means y square. 5 square is 125x square plus y upon 5x bracket cube म्हणजेच टर्मचा क्यूब y cube upon 5 cube is 125. Here 5 square, so 25. Okay, now first term write down as it is 125x cube upon y cube plus here इथे काय होणार, न्यूमरेटरचा हा y या डिनॉमिनेटर मधील y स्क्वेअर मधला एक y काय होणार, कॅन्सल होणार. हे 5 म्हणजे 5 5 5 25. therefore 5x square upon 5 into 1 upon x प्लस इथे काय होणार, न्यूमरेटर मधील एक y आणि डिनॉमिनेटर मधील y कॅन्सल होणार. In similar way, x also cancel and 5 5 are 25. Therefore, here remains only 3 into y upon 5 to x plus y cube upon 125 x cube. In this term, x also cancel. Therefore, 125 x cube upon y cube plus 3 5 are 15. x upon y plus 3 5 upon 5x plus y cube upon 125 x cube. This is answer.
I hope you understand expansion of a plus b whole cube and how to solve examples in practice set 5.2. Thank you.